My dear children, I hope that all of you are fine in your homes. My dear students, yesterday we started with the chapter The Little Girl. And once again, we are back and we have to read this chapter. So, let's get started. But before we start, I would like to remind you a few things about the chapter. Okay, what we have read up to now. So, firstly, we got to know that the little girl, she was afraid of her father. Okay, her father, he was a figure of authority, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Then we got to know more about the father, that what is his daily routine, how he behaves with Kezia, like how he gives a goodbye kiss before going, and how he asks for slippers and newspaper after coming back to home. Okay, then we got to know how the father, he was concerned about Kezia. Okay, he was worried about Kezia. Why he was worried? He was worried because Kezia stuttered in front of him. Okay, वो अटक रही थी ना words में. So he was worried about that, and he even told his mother. Okay, he even told his mother that, mother, please make sure that the child should not look like as if about to commit suicide. Okay, so the father, he was also concerned about Kezia. Okay, now we will be starting with the fourth paragraph. Please take out your books and let's start. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Okay, so again we are talking about routine. Okay, something that happens in the family of Kezia quite regularly. Okay, as per the times, specified time. So on Sunday afternoons, what used to happen? The grandmother, she used to order Kezia. वो Kezia को कहती थी कि go और बात करो. किससे? मदर, अपने मदर और फादर से. Okay, that's nice talk. Like, you know, when we talk emotionally, when we express our feelings, so this is what the grandmother is encouraging Kezia to do. But the little girl always found mother reading. Now see, her mother, she is always reading. Okay, and the father, now let's read further. And father stretched out on the sofa. जो father है वो सोफे पर stretched out है, एकदम बिल्कुल लेटा हुआ है, बिल्कुल पूरे तरीके से खोल के. Okay, so he is relaxing himself. His handkerchief on his face, जो उसका रुमाल है, I think handkerchief everyone is aware, it's रुमाल. Okay, so it is on his face. His feet on one of the best cushions. Now see, he is so much relaxed that he has kept one of his feet on one of the best cushions. Okay, जो घर में सबसे अच्छे cushions हैं. Cushions क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे तकिए से होते हैं, जिन्हें हम रखते हैं. ओके, वो लार्ज साइज नहीं होते, वो स्लीपिंग पिलोज नहीं होते. स्लीपिंग पिलोज अलग होते हैं, कुशंस जो होते हैं वो स्मॉल होते हैं साइज में. ओके, सो द फादर ऑफ केजिया, he had kept his feet on one of the best cushions while he was relaxing. Sleeping soundly and snoring. Sleeping soundly means he was in a deep sleep. Okay, गहरी नींद में था वो. And he was snoring. Snoring means खर्राटे लेना. Okay, so he was sleeping soundly and snoring. And what was the mother doing? She was reading. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched. Okay, तो केजिया ने क्या किया? She sat on a stool and she watched her father. Okay, उनको देखती रही. हाउ शी वॉज वॉचिंग her father? Gravely. Gravely means with high intensity. ओके, बहुत ही सीरियसली वो उनको देखती रही. Until he woke and stretched. फिर क्या हुआ? फादर जो वो उठा और उसने स्ट्रेच किया, जैसे लोग करते हैं नॉर्मली उठने के बाद. He stretched his body and asked the time. उसने टाइम पूछा. Then looked at her. उसने किसको देखा? केजिया को. Now the father, he is speaking. Don't stare so, Kezia. Okay? Stare means घूर के देखना. ऐसे घूर के मुझे मत देखो. Don't stare. Okay? Don't look at me in one motion of eye. Okay? You look like a little brown owl. Okay? जैसे एक छोटा ब्राउन उल्लू होता है, उसने केजिया को उससे कंपेयर कर दिया. Okay? So he can, I think fathers sometimes make certain comments which are quite funny, and this is one of them. Okay, why he made this comment? Because Kezia was staring at him. वो उसे घूर कर देख रही थी. One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold. Okay, so एक दिन जब, अब हम हैं पहले हम संडे आफ्टरनून्स की बात करते हैं, अब हम रैंडमली एक दिन की बात कर रहे हैं. When she was kept indoors with a cold, जब उसे घर पे रखा गया था, मीन्स अगर वो स्कूल जाती थी या कहीं भी बाहर जाती थी, उसे वहां नहीं भेजा गया. She was kept indoors with a cold. Her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. So उसे inform किया grandmother ने. Okay? Grandmother ने क्या inform किया? कि father का birthday है next week. And suggested she could make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Okay? So उसने क्या किया कि एक पिन कुशन बनाते हैं. ठीक है, एक पिन कुशन बनाते हैं. एक छोटा सा कुशन होता है, बहुत ही छोटा सा. ओके, उसको पिन कुशन बोलते हैं. एंड वो उसका गिफ्ट हो जाएगा. और उसे कैसे बनाएंगे? फ्रॉम अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस ऑफ येलो सिल्क. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वीक इज द फादर्स बर्थडे, एंड फॉर गिफ्ट वी हैव अ पिन कुशन विच इज टू बी मेड आउट ऑफ a piece of yellow silk. Okay? Laboriously with a double cotton, the little girl stitched 3 sides. So cushion जो होता है, it has 4 sides. So laboriously means working very hard. With a lot of effort. Okay, so laboriously here is with a lot of effort or difficulty. Oh, okay. I missed the spelling here. Yes, laboriously is laboriously. Laboriously. Okay, with a lot of effort. बहुत मेहनत से उसने 3 sides को स्टिच कर दिया. But what to fill it with? Now the question is, उसे किस चीज से फिल करें? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden. Okay, grandmother कहाँ थी? वो गार्डन में थी. And she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. वो कहाँ चली गई? मदर के बेडरूम में चली गई. Okay, to look for scraps. Scraps means waste material. ओके, क्योंकि उसे अब क्या करना है, उसे पिन कुशन जो है वो फिल करना है. ऑन द बेड टेबल शी डिस्कवर्ड अ ग्रेट मेनी शीट्स ऑफ फाइन पेपर. ओके, उसे जो बेड टेबल थी, बेड के साइड में जो टेबल होती है, उस पर उसे बहुत सारी शीट्स मिली. फाइन पेपर, पेपर क्वालिटी वाज वेरी गुड. ओके, फाइन मीन्स समथिंग दैट इज वेरी गुड. Gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case. ओके, सो उसने क्या किया, उन शीट्स को लिया, शी टोर देम उनको फाड़ा, एंड देन स्टफ्ड हर केस, जो उसका पिन कुशन था उसने उसके अंदर भर लिया. देन स्यूड अप द फोर्थ साइड. अब कुशन के अंदर की फिलिंग भी रेडी है तो उसने उसको स्टिच कर दिया. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Hue and cry means angry protest. बहुत ज्यादा शोर मचना. Angry protest. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. जो father की speech थी, which was for the port authority, that had been lost. वो खो गई थी. Rooms were searched. Servants questioned. Okay, now see, the speech was very important because the rooms they were searched and the servants they were questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. जो mother थी वो Kezia के room में आई. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. So now the mother, she is asking from Kezia ki whether you have seen some papers in our room or not. Oh yes, she said. Now she has given the mother the answer which the mother was looking for. She has said yes. I tore them up for my surprise. Now I think you all know what she has torn. She has torn the speech of father, the speech which was there for the port authority. She has torn that up. जो port authority के लिए speech थी उसने उसको फाड़ दिया. What? Screamed mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. So right away, right at that very moment, Kezia's mother has said that come to the dining room. Okay, this instant means right away. Okay, and she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. Drag down means खींच कर ले गए. Okay, she was pulled with a force to that place. Okay, and where the father, what was he doing? He was pacing to and fro. To and fro pacing means from roaming from one point to another. वो ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहा था, hands behind his back. Like this, the father, he was pacing from one point to another and then back. Well, he said sharply, means with a sharp tone, एक तीखी आवाज में, father, he said well, because he wants to hear something. Okay, so now he has given the opportunity to the mother to speak. Okay, mother explained. अब जो मदर है उसने सब कुछ बता दिया फादर को कि this happened. He stopped and stared at the child. Again, stared means घूरना. उसने he stopped and he stared at the child. उसने बिल्कुल घूर के देखा केजिया को. Did you do that? Okay, now he is asking from Kezia whether she has done it or not. No, 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 she whispered. उसने केजिया उसने धीरे से बोला नो. ओके, नाउ सी शी इज स्टटरिंग अगेन, वो फिर से अटक रही है. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज शी इज नर्वस इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर फादर. मदर, go up to her room and fetch down the damn thing. Okay, so now what he has said, okay, there is one word, whisper. Whispered means to speak slowly or to speak with a hush voice, with a very low voice. Okay, so now he has given the order. The father, he has given the order. Mother, go up to Kezia's room and fetch down the damn thing. Damn means the very bad thing, the thing which has negativity around it. Okay, see that the child is put to bed this instant. Okay, to put the child to bed means to make the child sleep. Okay, see that the child should be made asleep right now, this instant. अभी ही उस केजिया को सुला दो. And bring me that damn thing. What is the damn thing here? The pin cushion which Kezia was preparing, which was meant to be a surprise for the father. Okay. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. So now Kezia, she was crying too much. Okay, she was crying too much to explain. Why? She wanted to tell her feelings. She wanted to tell that what she did, it was for something good. But father, he didn't give the chance to Kezia to explain. So now what is she doing in her room? Shadowed room means there is shadow, and shadow is possible at night due to the moonlight which is coming in the room. Okay, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Okay, so the evening light which is coming from the outside, it is making a sad little pattern on the floor. Okay, I think you know sad, dukhi, and pattern is any thing which resembles a shape or any metric quantity. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. Now see the strictness of the father. He has come with a ruler. Ruler is a stick. Okay, earlier there used to be a stick which was used to punish naughty children. I hope that while you people are in your homes, all of you are being very well behaved and not being naughty. Otherwise, who knows, you might get a taste of ruler. Okay, so I'm going to beat you for this, he said. Father has said he is not going to forgive Kezia. वो Kezia को माफ नहीं करेगा. He is going to beat her for this. उसे punish करेगा. How? With the ruler. Oh no no no! She screamed. वो चिल्लाई. Scream means चिल्लाना, to make a loud noise. Hiding under the bed clothes. जो बेड के ऊपर बेडशीट होती है या फिर जो ओढ़ने के लिए हमारे कपड़े होते हैं, बेड क्लोथ्स. ओके, वो उनके नीचे छुप गई. He pulled them aside. उसने उन्हें, फादर ने उन्हें अलग कर दिया. Aside means to push something to one side. Sit up, he ordered. ओके, उसने अब बोला sit up, कि बैठ जाओ. And hold out your hands. He asked her to hold out. Hold out means to Bring the hand forward like this. Okay, hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all. Once and for all is a phrase which means that one last time, means in one example we are making everything clear for you. We are setting an example for you. केजिया को पता चल जाना चाहिए, उसके सामने एक एग्जाम्पल सेट हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, विच विल स्टे फॉर एवर. Not to touch what does not belong to you. So now the father, what is he doing? He is trying to teach Kezia a lesson that she should not touch what does not belong to her. Okay? So, see here, father is right at his place. Right? He is right at his place. But is he right as per Kezia? No. He is not right as per Kezia. But it was your birthday. Okay, she's again stuttering, and she has said she has given the reason why she did this, because it was the birthday of the father. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. जो उसके little पे छोटे pink palms थे, जो उसकी हथेली थी, उस पर रूलर से फादर ने हिट किया. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair. So, कुछ घंटे बाद ग्रैंडमदर ने क्या किया था, उसे एक शॉल में रैप कर दिया था, उसके चारों तरफ शॉल रैप कर दिया था. एंड रॉक्ड हर. रॉकिंग मीन्स जैसे ऐसे ऐसे हिलाना, जैसे रॉकिंग चेयर भी होती है जिसमें जो ओल्ड एज पीपल यूज करते हैं, जो ऐसे हिलती रहती है अपने आप. ओके, सो सिमिलरली द ग्रैंडमदर, शी वाज rocking Kezia in her rocking chair. The child clung to her soft body. So, अब चेयर के ऊपर ग्रैंडमदर बैठी हुई है और केजिया जो है, शी इज सिटिंग इन हर लैप एंड शी इज हगिंग हर. क्लंग मीन्स चिपकी हुई. ओके, शी वाज स्टक वेरी टाइटली टू द बॉडी ऑफ द ग्रैंडमदर. What did God make fathers for? Now she is sad and she is asking, why did God made fathers? She sobbed. Sobbed means ऐसे सिसकियाँ लेते, रोते रोते जैसे एक आवाज निकलती है ना, that is sobbing. Okay? Here is a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. Blow your nose means अपनी नाक को clean कर लो. Clean your nose by blowing. जैसे if there is something in your nose, then you can clean it by blowing. Go to sleep, pet. Pet here refers to adorable or lovely or someone whom is loved. Like, so it's not that pet which is there in your home, which might be there in your home, like a dog or cat. No. A creature who is loved. You will forget all about it in the morning. So morning में the grandmother, she is saying that she will forget. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. So grandmother, she tried explaining the situation to the father, but the father, he was too upset to listen. वो सुनना नहीं चाहता था. But the child never forgot. वो जो बच्चा था वो नहीं भूला. Kezia, she didn't forget it. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back. So जब फादर को नेक्स्ट टाइम केजिया देखा, उसे इंस्टिंक्टिवली, जैसे वो, क्योंकि वो डर गई थी फादर से, उसने क्या किया, अपने हैंड्स ऐसे पीछे कर लिए, behind her back. And a red color flew into her cheeks due to nervousness and emotions. Like हमारा फेस कलर चेंज हो जाता है ना जब भी हम नर्वस होते हैं, घबराते हैं. So similarly, blood came into her face and she became red colored. Okay, so dear students, we have read up to this paragraph and we'll be stopping here. Okay, very quickly I'll be asking a few questions and I want you to answer them along with me very quickly. Okay, so on Sunday afternoon, how did she find her mother? On Sunday afternoon, how did Kezia find her mother? She always found her mother reading. Okay, and my next question is, why did Kezia's father said that you look like a little brown owl? Why did he say so? Because Kezia was staring at him. Okay, for father's birthday, what did Kezia plan to make? Kezia ने क्या plan किया? What will be her gift? She planned to make a pin cushion. Okay, next, what did she use to fill up the pin cushion? So what did she use? I think everyone must be knowing the answer. She used the father's Port Authority speech. Okay, जो father की Port Authority speech थी उसने उसको किया. Then my next question is, who found out that Kezia had torn the speech? Who found out that Kezia had torn the speech? And the answer is Kezia's mother. My next question is, how did Kezia's father punish her? So how did he punish her? By beating her with a ruler. Okay, he beat her with a ruler. Okay, so how did Kezia's mother calm her down? By wrapping her in a shawl and rocking her in the rocking chair. Okay, and she also told Kezia that you will forget about the incident tomorrow morning. Okay, so dear students, this is your class for today. Okay, and now what I want you to do is, I want you to read the book and look up the meaning of difficult words from the dictionary. And while you are at your homes, please try to speak in English. Okay, practice your English conversation skills with your parents, your siblings, and eat healthy food. Don't eat junk food, and take care of yourself. Thank you, students.